Today we are unboxing this compact beast, a 4K mini projector that promises a home theater experience in your pocket. Promising big screen magic. Let's see what's inside. Right out of the box, this projector feels premium. Look at that compact design. The packaging includes the projector itself. Whoa, it's lighter than my phone. A power adapter with international plugs. A mini HDMI cable for instant streaming. A remote control, battery included, nice touch. And a user manual, we won't need it, probably. It's got built-in speakers, USB and HDMI ports, and supports wireless streaming. Oh, and it claims full 4K support. Wow! The colors pop even in daylight. That 500 ANSI lumens brightness is no joke. And the HDR10 support? Mirror your phone via screencasting. It's got built-in speakers, USB and HDMI ports, and supports wireless streaming. Oh, and it claims full 4K support. From unboxing to blockbuster nights, this 4K mini projector delivers big in a tiny package. Perfect for camping, dorm rooms, or your living room. And that's a wrap. Whether you are binge-watching under the stars or gaming on a giant screen, this little projector proves big dreams come in small packages. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the first movie you'd play on this? Until next time, keep projecting awesomeness.